Hi guys, we are going to continue with lesson 4, which is our part 4. Okay, we are still dealing with numeric patterns, but the diagrammatic ones, which means we are using diagrams. Okay, since it's a numeric pattern, so expect to see a what? A constant difference. Constant difference on this one, because I said it's a diagrammatic numeric pattern now. So we'll have a constant difference here. Okay, you still remember the symbol we use for the constant difference in these two figures. Okay, let's look at number 1. The diagram below shows dots that are arranged to follow a pattern. Okay, the easiest way here, the first thing, just write this in terms of numbers. Let's start with figure 1. How many dots do we find there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we'll write it in the way we are familiar with. Then the second one, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5. That is 5, 10, 11, 12. 12. Okay. Then look at figure 3. 2, 4, 6, 7, it's also 7. This 7, 14 plus 3, that is 17. I think you can already see the trend here. The numbers are increasing, means we are adding a positive number. So we count also 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. So it's 9 plus 9, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay. Now we can work out the constant difference between these numbers. Okay. We know how to work out the constant difference. Okay. So we've got our term 1 here. We've got our term 2. It was given in terms of diagrams, right? Just simplify it and write it in terms of numbers to make life easier for yourself. So we can say T2 minus T1 or T3 minus T2 or T4 minus T3, all right? So let's start with the first 2. It's going to be 12 minus 7. It's important to identify the constant difference. It is 5. So check from here, you added 5. Here, you also added 5. From 12, also from 17 to 22, you added 5. You can predict now what will be the next term. You're going to add 5 on 22. It's going to be 27. You can still predict what will be the next term. Add 5 to 27. Find that you're going to get 32. All right, that's how we work out this pattern. So you know the constant difference. So the question might say, work out the general rule. Okay, you know when you need the general rule, you are going to need the term that comes before the first one. You know what, you added 5 to that term in order to get 7. Easy peasy. It's 2. 2 plus 5 will give you 7. So you already know. So your general formula, it's going to be Tn is equal to, what is the constant difference? It's 5n plus the term that comes before the first one, which is 2. So that is the general rule. Now you can calculate the number of dots maybe on figure 50, 100 or figure 20. Let's try it for figure 15. How many dots? is figure 15 going to have? The question might also can also say a draw for figure 5. What will the diagram look like? Okay, let's calculate how many dots will be found in figure 50. We know that, so we need a Tn, the value of figure 50. How many dots will be there? Figure 15, let's do figure 15. It's gonna be 5 times 15. We use this general formula plus 2, guys. Use your calculator, okay, guys. All of us, let's press our calculators. 5 times 15 is equal to 75. 75 plus 2 is equal to 77. Remember, the question said calculate the number of dots in figure 15. Figure 15. That is term 15 in other words. Okay? How many dots are going to be found there on figure 15? So it's n. Okay? The position. Where are you? You are in number 15, figure 15. So it has got 77 dots. All right, I hope it's clear. They shouldn't scare you. The diagrams, they are very easy. You see, numeric patterns, I'm sure right now you've got like confidence. Okay, then let's do the second one. Before we go to paper, I thought we should also look at diagrams because some questions will have diagrams. Okay, let's look at this statement first. Two friends were texting each other back and forth. They were using the heart eyes emoji with every text forming the following pattern. All right, so we are interested in the heart eyes. Okay, let's write them in terms of numbers. You know, we simplify. Let's start with text 1. Text 1, how many hearts are there? 2 heart eyes. Then on this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then the third text, how many? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. You can see the numbers are increasing. It means we are adding a positive number there. All right. So we've got these 3. We can write them in terms of terms. Text 1, text 2, term 3. Okay. Let's work out the constant difference D for this particular term. It's T2 minus T1, 6 minus 2, which is 4. Then the next one, T3 minus T2, 10 minus 6, it's still 4. So the constant difference between your terms is 4. You keep adding 4. We can even predict now on the 4th text, we add 4 to 10, that it's going to have how many heart eyes? 14. Also on the 5th, and so forth, etc. Okay, you know the constant difference here. You can also work out now the general rule that we can use to calculate the heart eyes, maybe in text 60, 70, or 75, or even 150. All right. So what we can do now, we will work out the general rule now for this one. Let's work out first what number came before 2, where we added 4 and gave us 2. What number could be that? Definitely, it is negative 2. Negative 2. Negative 2 plus 4 will give you 2. All right, I hope it's clear. Here, it is negative 2. Remember, the numbers as we move to the left are decreasing. So we couldn't have added to 0 because 0 plus 4 will give you 4. Couldn't have added on negative 1. Negative 1 plus 4 will give you 3. Then negative 2 plus 4. Remember the numbers as you move to the left in teachers, the numbers are decreasing. Okay, below 0 it's negative numbers. Okay, so the numbers are decreasing as we move towards your left. So you can see now that number. See this number here, this one comes before the first term. So now we can work out the general rule for this. It's Tn. The constant difference is what? It's 4n. What term comes before T1? It's negative 2. All right, that's how you work out your general rule. Okay, now you can use this general rule to find the value of any text that you might be asked. For example, if the question says calculate the number of hard eyes on the 50th text, okay, 50, text number 50, you will take this general rule. You say Tn is equal to 4 times our n, we said it is 50 plus minus 2. So 4 times 50 in your calculator, that is 200 minus 2, which is equal to 198. Okay, so this is 50th text. It has got 198 heart eyes. 198 heart eyes. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Wishing you all the best in mathematics. Take care, guys. Don't worry, we've got this. We're gonna pass maths with flying colors. Goodbye.